3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Using X, formerly known as Twitter, is simple and intuitive. Start by downloading the X app from your device's app store or updating your Twitter app if it hasn't switched over already. Once installed and set up, your homepage will feature two feeds: the For You feed showing trending posts and content tailored to your activity, and the Following feed displaying posts from people you follow. To find new users to follow, tap the search icon, type your name in the search bar, and select their profile to follow them. Interact with posts by liking, replying, reposting, or quoting posts with your thoughts. To create your own post, tap the plus sign, type your message, and answer with photos, videos, GIFs, polls, or even voice notes. When ready, tap post to share it. Your profile stores your posts, replies, and like content, which you can access by tapping your profile icon and selecting profile. For trending topics, news, or entertainment, tap the magnifying glass icon to explore. Communities let you join and share niche discussions, while the bell icon provides notifications about your activity and mentions. Direct messaging is accessible via the envelope icon, allowing you to chat with friends or create group conversations. You can send text, images, videos, and voice notes in chats. With these tools, you're ready to navigate and enjoy everything X has to offer.